Here's our AEV Rubicon American Expedition version upfit. All the goodies from AEV in the box. Sound bar on the top. This is a JT37. There's a JT30 370 and a 350. Difference is the tire size, so these are 37s on this. $24,000 upfit for $95,000. This can be yours, and this is a diesel, so it's got a greater towing capacity. AEV's bespoke lights that they make themselves, or have made for them, I should say. Call me if you have any questions, David, 307-203-1784. Find out why we are the #1 AEV dealer in North America.